my channel. Today I will be doing a review for the Azaria diaper bag. This is the first time I get one of these bags. I watched a bunch of reviews and comparisons between the fun design and the Azaria diaper bag, and I decided to buy one. You can return it if you don't like it. I think you have 14 days. But I absolutely love this bag. I mean, I don't like the inside as much as the outside, but this material is pretty nice. I like the, this is like a vegan leather and it's supposed not to scratch that easy as the fun designs. I like the zipper pulls. They have two right here. I like the front, the back. Anyway, I like the whole bag. So let me just show you more of this bag. If you're not familiar with it, it has a front pocket here that it has like a magnetic closure. It has a zipper here on the side. It has bottle pockets on each side that they're cut diagonal, so it's easier to grab the stuff that you put in there. It has a backpack pocket. It does not have a closure here. It does have a grab handle, backpack straps that are like these, what is this called? The seatbelt strap, kind of, but then on top of it, half of it or more than half of the bag, it's covered in the same material, like the same vegan leather. So it's covered like that, and then this is just regular seatbelt strap. Some people said that are more comfortable, but in real life, I think because of the bag is the same material, the seatbelt strap, it doesn't make it that comfortable. I mean, I think it makes it look better, but it's not that much comfortable than a seatbelt strap. And then right here is the same bottle pocket as the other side. It does have D-rings, so you can hang it on your stroller, or you could use it with your messenger strap, because it does come with a messenger strap or crossbody. Let me show you what I have inside. I have right here a Passy Pot from the new Rose Gold collection from JuJuBe, and usually I put here 2 Passy Pots right before I leave. Then in the front pocket, I usually have my hand sanitizer and my chapstick that I'm not sure where it is right now. And then on this compartment right here, and I usually just put my phone in there and the car keys as well. And then right here on the side, I usually put my wallet and some coupons that I have, or any paperwork that they give me like at the doctor's, because I just went to the doctor because my baby's kind of sick. I mean, not sick, he's getting a cold, I believe. I'm first time mom, so it's crazy because he coughed and I ran to the doctor and I was like, he coughed and his cough sounds like he's gonna get sick. So they just told me what I should do because he's only 9 months. So there's not much things to do. On this side, I have a Komotomo bottle with just water in it. And then on this side, I have the food of the day. He's gonna have carrots, apple, and mango with my Sushi Cars bib. This is the beanie from JuJuBe as well. And it does have a magnet. I always thought these beanies were too much money, but after I own one, I want them all. I mean, they are absolutely amazing. I do recommend you to try one because you're gonna love it. And then I have a spoon here. And then moving on to the inside of the bag, it does have 2 zipper pulls right here. And then you just bend this like that and you will have access to everything that's inside of your bag. I have here a car so he can play with it. He loves these little cars. They have music if you turn them on in the bottom. They light up and they play some songs for him. Access to everything that's inside of your bag. I have here a car so he can play with it. He loves these little cars. They have music if you turn them on in the bottom. They light up and they play some songs for him. Then if you see inside, I have here Swaddle Blanket, this medium set, Donutella sweet shop. It's full of toys, and this one is full like of an extra cloth, and then this one is my diaper needs. Let me just show you So the Swaddle Blanket, I put it right there. Then here I have my Diaper Essentials. So I have 3 size 5 diapers, my Sushi Cars changing pad. I have some trash bags, my Desitin, and a little towel. And this is the large set of the JuJuBe in Happy Hearts. And then inside of this one, I carry a change of clothes. So I have here some pants, a onesie, 1 extra diaper, a pack of extra wipes, that is like 10 wipes from the Honest Company, and then my med kit. And this is all packed in a large set from JuJuBe, from the Tokidoki and Hello Sanrio collaboration. I believe it's called the Rainbow Dreams print. And then the last one is a Donutella Sweet Shop in the medium set size, and inside is full of toys. I have some cards here from Baby Einstein. I have a theater here and this elephant play music as well. I have these from the gym when he was a baby. I just saved this one because he liked it a lot. And then this one is a theater on silicone. I believe I got this when I purchased my Nuna stroller. They sent me that as a gift. This bag, let's see if I can show you. There you go. It has a compartment right here, and the inside is like a thin vegan leather as well, and it does have a magnetic closure, but I just put here in the back pocket. I have a book. I usually put any kind of book that he likes at the moment. And then it has 3 mesh pockets. On one of the mesh pockets I have this that is from the First Aid Make Kids. I usually just put this baby mom that is like a wafer that he can eat, and it helps him with his gums and his teething. And then this bag comes with a key leash right here that I usually never use. And then inside of here I have some wipes. So I have boogie wipes right here, and these pacifier wipes to clean his teething toys, all his pacifiers. Let's just pack it all up again. So I put the wipes in the back zipper compartment. I put any book that I have right here on this back pocket. Then I put his snack right here. I put 2 standing large JuJuBe sets inside like that. I have the medium one with his toys on one side and his Swaddle Blanket on the other one. And I always carry this because I usually just go to the mall or to my mom's house, and he likes to have a blanket to go to sleep. And then this little cart. I absolutely love this bag. I will leave the link below if you want to shop for this bag. This is the navy blue, but they do have other colors available on their website. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Ooh, one more thing, I forgot to show you the back. I do have my wipes. I bet you were thinking like, how is she gonna change his diaper without wipes? I do have my wipes here in my wipe pouch, and I just carry it in the back to have it handy. So in case we're in the store, I can clean his hands or whatever. I just have them handy right here. And that's it. Like I was saying, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!